All right, if you've ever tried to write something in Arabic online, you know the headache. You're typing along, you mix in a little bit of English or maybe a phone number, and suddenly everything breaks. Punctuation is on the wrong side, numbers are a mess, and it just looks, well, jumbled. Today, we're diving into a tool that's built from the ground up to fix that exact problem and make writing in Arabic online feel absolutely seamless.
So, why does this even happen? Well, it really comes down to the fundamental structure of the Arabic language. It's written right to left, and as soon as you throw in something that's left to right, like English or web browsers, they kind of freak out. And that's where things get messy really fast.
I mean, we have all seen this. You've crafted the perfect sentence, but the second you add that one piece of English or a simple number, the whole thing just implodes. The formatting goes wild, and your text suddenly looks unprofessional. It's more than just a little annoying. It can totally undermine what you're trying to say. So yeah, are you tired of this constant battle with your own text? It's a frustration that pretty much every Arabic writer on the web deals with. But what if there was a simple fix? A tool that can clean all this up in an instant, right from your browser? That's exactly what we're looking at today. Okay, let's get to the solution. Meet Muabir. It's a pretty slick Chrome extension that's designed to be your go-to co-pilot for writing in Arabic wherever you happen to be on the web. Just think of it like an intelligent assistant that's always there with you. It doesn't matter if you're writing a formal business email, a blog post, or just a quick reply on social media. Muabir is there in the background, making sure your text is spot on, perfectly formatted, and professional. So you can just focus on getting your ideas out there. But here's where it gets really clever. See, Muabir isn't just one single tool. It's actually two powerful tools bundled into one, each designed for very different tasks. So on one side, you've got what's called the local fixer. Think of this as your quick and easy solution for everyday formatting problems. On the other side, you've got the AI side panel, which is for much heavier lifting, the really advanced stuff. So let's break down what each one does.
The local fixer is basically your first line of defense. It instantly takes care of all those weird spacing glitches and punctuation errors, and most importantly, it fixes those right-to-left and left-to-right directionality problems we saw earlier. But you know what the best part is? It's 100% private. Everything happens right there in your browser. None of your text ever gets sent to a server. And on top of all that, it's completely free. Okay, so this all sounds great, but how do you actually use it? Well, you'll be happy to hear it's designed to be incredibly simple. For those quick formatting fixes, it's almost laughably easy. You literally just highlight the broken text, you right-click your mouse, and you select Fix Text. That's it. Instantly, your text is cleaned up and looks exactly how it's supposed to. No fuss. But what if you need more than just a formatting fix? Well, that's where the AI side panel comes into play, and this is where the real power is. With this, you can do a deep grammar and spelling check, you can summarize a long, dense article, or simplify really complex text. It can even help you generate smart replies for your emails and, get this, add full tashkil to your text. Now, for anyone who might not be familiar with that term, tashkil are those little vowel marks that you see above and below the letters in Arabic. They're absolutely crucial for proper pronunciation and making sure the meaning is clear, especially in more formal or educational writing. And Muabir can add them all for you with just one click. So you might be wondering, okay, who is this really for? Well, the applications are pretty wide. It's for basically anyone who regularly works with Arabic text online. Let's start with editors and content creators. For them, this tool is like having a second pair of expert eyes. Right before you hit that publish button, you can give your text one last pass to catch any subtle errors. It's all about making sure your work is as polished as it can be. Now think about the professional world. We all know first impressions count, right? This tool helps you write those sharp, flawless emails and reports that make you look great. And that smart reply feature, it's a total game changer for getting through your inbox quickly while still sounding thoughtful. This one is huge for anyone in academia. If you're a student or a researcher, imagine wading through a really dense Arabic academic paper. Instead of spending hours trying to decipher it, you can just click a button to summarize the key points or simplify the complex language. It could totally supercharge your workflow. And here's a really modern one. A lot of us are now using AI, large language models, to help us write. But let's be honest, the text they generate isn't always perfect. So this is the key. You can use Muabir as that final polishing step to take raw AI text and make it clean, natural, and ready for a human reader. So when you boil it all down, that's the core promise here. It's all about removing the friction from writing in Arabic on the web. It's about giving you the power to create clean, professional-looking text instantly, no matter where you are. And this all leads to a much bigger question. As tools like Muabir become a normal part of how we write, they stop being just tools that fix our mistakes. They start to actually change our relationship with writing itself. So it makes you wonder, as our AI assistants get smarter and smarter, how is the actual art of writing going to evolve right along with them?